In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill an order in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently processing your orders with ease. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open up your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but today we're focusing on orders. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the orders page where you can see all of your customer orders listed. Now take a moment to find the specific order you want to fulfill. Once you've located it, click on the order to open up the details. You're almost there. Next, you'll see a button labeled Fulfill Items. Click on it. This is where you'll enter all the necessary shipping information. First, let's talk about the tracking number. While it's optional, providing a tracking number can greatly enhance the customer experience as it allows your customers to follow their package's journey. So, if you have one, it's a good idea to enter it in the designated field. Next, you'll need to specify the shipping carrier. This is the company that will be handling the delivery, such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS. Make sure you select the correct carrier from the drop-down menu. It's crucial to ensure accuracy at this step because this information will be sent directly to your customer. Speaking of keeping your customers informed, you'll notice an option to send shipment details to customer. It's typically a good practice to check this box. By doing so, Shopify will automatically send an email to your customer with all the shipping details, including the tracking number if you've provided one. This can help manage customer expectations and reduce inquiries about shipping status. After you've filled in all the necessary information and double-checked everything for accuracy, it's time to complete the process. Simply click on Fulfill Items at the bottom of the page. And just like that, you've successfully fulfilled your order on Shopify. Before we wrap up, remember that the process we've covered is key to ensuring your customers remain satisfied and informed. Efficient order fulfillment is a cornerstone of a successful online business, so mastering these steps will serve you well. Thank you for joining me today and taking the time to learn how to fulfill orders in Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.